This tutorial is going to show you how to simplify fractions. We're going to try to write this fraction 15/20. We're going to reduce it so that it is in simplest form. Right? And the way to do that is we're going to use what's called the greatest common factor method of finding the simplest form of that fraction. And how we do that is we're basically going to try to find all the factors of the numerator and all the factors of the denominator. In this case, the numerator is 15, the denominator is 20. And so if I write 15 here, and I say, what are all the factors? Well, I create a little t-chart here. We have 1 and 15. No 2 doesn't go into it, and 3 and 5. And those are all my factors of 15. Then I'm going to go with 20 and do a little t-chart here. We have 1 and 20. We have 2 and 10. 3 doesn't go into 20. 4 goes into 20, so we have 4 and 5. So those are all the factors. The greatest common factor happens to be 5 in both of them. So what I will do then is I will divide the numerator by 5 and the denominator by 5 to come up with a new fraction. And my new fraction in simplest form, well, it's an equivalent fraction, is 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. This fraction, 3/4, is in simplest form because the only common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. That's the only common factor. And once you have 1 as your only common factor, then that fraction is in simplest form. And that's how you simplify fractions.